This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Miele dishwasher that has a broken upper spray arm. So it has three spray arms. There's top one, bottom one, and middle one. This is the top one. Here's the part number. And it's a pretty easy procedure to replace it. So this is the part that threads on to hold the upper spray arm, and to lock it in I'm using a pair of channel locks, and I'm just going to push into these ridges, give it about a quarter turn. And now to put the spray arm on, it's interesting. What you do is you're going to push the threads, the male threads, up into the female nut here, and you're going to push up and turn. If you just turn, it doesn't work. You have to push up to engage it and turn. Push up and then turn. And that's the same thing for removing it. You pull down if you want to remove it. Pull down and turn. If you just turn it, nothing happens. So you have to either push up or pull down, and then it works. So that goes in really easy. We're just going to put the utensil drawer back in. So we're going to put it onto the rails, slide it all the way in. Then we have these little stoppers that hold on to the end of the rails. And I'm going to push down the bottom piece and then click in the top. And then we'll do the same thing for the right side. So this should be a really easy procedure for you. This one broke off because it was hitting something in the utensil drawer, so we had to replace it. Hope this has helped you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.